In this video, we are going to learn about chapter 13, which is measures of dispersion. First of all, dispersion. The dispersion is the measure of variations in the values of the variable. It measures the degree of scatteredness of the observations in the distribution around the center value. Now, measure of dispersion. It has basically two types. First is absolute measure and second is relative measure. In absolute measure, the number which tells about limit or quantity of dispersion. And second one is relative measure. For comparative study of two or more series, these measures are not suitable. Relative measure of dispersion are found in ratio or percentage.